Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. We are starting on our spring wreaths. So today we're working with some beautiful geraniums and some roses. We got some beautiful eucalyptus greenery. We got our scissors, our wire cutters, and we also got this cute little bow I made on my bow Deborah. That was in another Valentine's channel. Go check that out. First things first, we are going to put on our ribbon. We are going to get this bow on. Let's get this bow on. We got that on right here. I was going to do it sideways, huh? Hi. This is going to be sideways. Excuse me now. We are going to get on our beautiful greenery. Yes, we are going to start with our greenery. Let's get it on up here and work our way down this way. Okay, some beautiness in here. Some right in here. There's some that are with these, and there's some that I don't got that don't have those. Yeah, let's just get them all in here. Going down about right there. And I think, let's get some more right here. Look right here. Another one going right here. Now we're going to get our beautiful florals in there. I'm going to start with this. Get this one up here. It's the bigger one. And then let's get out this little one right here. Remember, we got to get our roses on there, Mama. Let's get our roses going. Get this right here. Get another rose going. Ooh, this is just a long stem. This beauty right here. Let's get some more of this going up here. Ay, 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 look at this. Just so beautiful. Okay, now let me see. Let's get some beautiful purple going on in here. Look at that. Get more down in here. Let's move your colors around. Let's get some beautiful greenery one in here. How about right in here, huh? Kind of get your thing colors and different colors, you know. Now we're going to get these. These are so beautiful. Let's get those going in here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we got one more. Where are we going to get this one, everybody? Right in here. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. It's a little too much yellow, but yet, you know what we could do? I'm just going to put this beauty right in here. That's what I was talking about. Like, kind of balance your items out. See, we got the mixture of some purple, some little different yellow. This yellow, but yeah, we got this mixed right here. Look at that, everybody, what we made today. So beautiful. And let's get this right here. See? Balance them out. Okay, everybody, look at how beautiful yet easy to make with a little simple bow. And there it is, everybody, with some beautiful geraniums, some eucalyptus, some roses, and you come out with a beauty. First spring wreath of the season. How did it come, everybody? Leave a comment, like and share. And if you got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing that subscribe button. It is free. You'll be notified of my upcoming videos, and you'll also be helping my channel grow. It was a pleasure once again being here with you guys, and we on this spring wreath roll. Everybody have a good day, and let's get that beautiful laughter and smile on. Thanks for watching.